Here's a quick video on how to clean a soap dish. You ever have these buildups? It gets kind of aggravating to clean it off. I found a little trick, just thought I'd share it. Use the back of your nail on your thumb, going backwards. And it takes it right off. See? Sometimes it's stubborn, but it's easier. It's almost like a scraper. Instead of just doing this or getting a scrub pad out, you keep wiping and wiping and wiping and nothing's happening. Use the back of your nail with a little pressure. It usually cleans it up pretty quickly. There you go. Clean. That's all it took. Hope it helps.